Hello guys, welcome to Smart Darasa Solution series, and here is the question. A crown made of an alloy of gold and silver has a volume of 60 centimeter cubic and a mass of 1.05 kilogram. Now find the mass of gold contained in the crown. First we have to see what we have in the table. We have gold with density of 19.3 gram per centimeter cubic, silver with a density of 10.5 gram per centimeter cubic. We have the total mass of the crown, which was 1.05 kilogram, and we have the total volume of the crown with the equivalent representation below. So what data do we have from the question? We have the total mass, which has been represented as 1.05 kilogram or 1050 gram, and total volume of 60 centimeter cubic. And again we have mass values, but we haven't been given the mass values, so we represent them as ms and mg, and followed by volume of gold and volume of silver as vg and vs, and finally the density of gold and density of silver. So all of these are data obtained or fetched from the question. So the first concept comes straightforward from the question, is that the total mass is equal to mass of silver plus mass of gold. So you can represent this as mt is equal to ms and mg. The second concept from this question is that the total volume is equal to volume of silver plus volume of gold, and you can represent this in a second equation as vt is equal to vs plus vg. Then we all know from density equation that density is equal to mass over volume. So we can take advantage of this equation and replace the second equation with this equation. V is equal to m over density. So correspondingly Vs is equal to ms over density s, and Vg is equal to mg over density g. Still remember what we are looking for? It's mass of gold and mass of silver. So the final equation will look like this: mg plus ms is equal to mt, which are equivalent masses, and mg over density g plus ms over density s is equal to vt, which is equation corresponding to total volume of the crown. Now if we replace the density of gold, the density of silver, mass of crown, volume of crown with their actual values, our final equation will look like this. Solving the final equation, we will get mass of gold as 921.1 gram and mass of silver as 128 grams. So you can go and practice more. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Smart Darasa. Smart Darasa is an interactive learning platform whereby students and teachers can access digital contents for various science subjects. All you have to do is visit in Play Store and download Smart Darasa mobile app. And guess what? It is free of charge and it doesn't need internet connection to operate. And trust me, you don't know how funny science is until you download and use Smart Darasa mobile app.